It is 23rd of December and this is our little willow wood that we planted about 14 years ago, and it's really small. It's probably less than a third of an acre, but I just thought you might like to hear some birdsong, which I think is amazing for this time of year. So I'm just going to walk through the wood and you can listen. So there are tits, there are finches, there are blackbirds, there are robins. I challenge you to identify them individually. But anyway, there's a little winter birdsong to amuse on this miserable just before Christmas Day. Happy Christmas, everyone.